Yo, what's up? Welcome to the African Joe Show. I know I don't upload much on this channel, but here we are today. So wow, Mr. Beast actually dug 100 wells in Africa, and he's not lying. He has video evidence for it, and the world is going crazy about this right now. First of all, let's play a little bit of the video. It's 10 minutes long, so I'm not gonna play the whole.
This is the first of 100 wells we're gonna build in this video. Oh, water! Oh, crap!
You just witnessed a small village in Kenya get access to unlimited clean drinking water in less than a second.
One down, 99 more wells in Africa to go. You're gonna love this video.
Combined, these 100 wells are going to give around 500,000 people fresh water to drink. And after building some more wells on this side of Kenya, we flew south to the school system of Nairiri. And let's just say, they were really happy to see us.
How's it going? Was not expecting this.
That is an African welcome right there. So if you wanna go dig up wells in Africa like Mr. Beast, you are going to get this welcome. Wow, this is beautiful.
Thank you for the welcome. I'm not sure how to react. I appreciate it, everybody.
This village threw a welcome ceremony upon our arrival, and Nolan got really into it.
Nolan's the most awkward person I've ever met, and that's a lot coming from me.
And after being shown around the school,
here comes our guest.
Yo, this guy is doing all this wonderful work, and they're doing it with a smile, they're doing it with love, and it's all
How's it going? Oh, you having a good day? It's nice meeting you.
one of the teachers showed me where the students currently get their water, which is from this river. That's extremely unsafe to drink.
This is where your students used to get water from?
Yes.
This is crazy.
Yeah. You know, students complaining of diarrhea, infections like typhoid, because this is the water we've been using. So we try to treat, but you see, look at it, you know, but at the end of the day, life has to move on. You have to get some water anyway.
This situation is obviously extremely sad. These children's lives are being limited and sometimes cut short from being forced to drink unsafe water. But at least for this village, we're gonna put an end to it right now.
I don't think this John's gonna fit. I'm a big head. Let's see if we can find some water. It is raining! It's beautiful!
After the water comes out of the ground, it's fed into enormous barrels like this one. And once they're built into the water towers, all of the neighboring villages will not only have clean drinking water, but a pressurized water source as well. Which, in short, means no more doing laundry and unsafe water.
Okay, but like the reason why I'm reacting to this video is because the internet is going crazy right now. Like it's been a whole week people are talking about this, Mr. Beast this, and people are just upset about this video. So far I've watched it as an African. I don't know about Kenyans, like maybe you're from Kenya, you're like but for me, so far I've not seen anything that is upsetting. All I'm seeing is like all this wonderful thing that is doing. But yeah, man, people have been going crazy about this. Let's see, calling Mr. Beast a white savior, all kinds of things. I mean, like when you are at Mr. Beast's level, there's nothing like you won't expect. People might just be upset just because maybe you walked instead of driving, or maybe you are driving instead of walking. People will be upset about something, but I don't get it. I don't know why they're upset about this video right here. Like he anyway.
Oh! On a scale of 1 to Nolan's mom, how heavy is it?
Nolan's mom times 2.
Oh god. Dude, I'll push you off of this.
All right, here we go. Under control.
We built 20 more wells in Kenya, and after we were done,
Bro has another well in here. Don't worry, I have more water in my other shoe.
And just so you know how we built these first 29 wells, we used this giant drill to dig hundreds of feet into the ground, past the polluted sources and into an enormous aquifer of pure drinkable water. After that, we spent time installing pipes so that people all around Africa can access water from spigots like this one in Nairiri.
Let's see how.
Maybe people are upset because he keeps saying Africa and he didn't dig like boreholes all around like countries in Africa. But you have to understand, if you're not in Africa, and if you're not, like, I'm assuming that when he was making commentary to this video, he was not in Kenya. But if you're outside the continent of Africa, even for me, stay in the US right now, I always refer to Botswana, like every time I go to Botswana, I'm not saying, oh, I'm going to Botswana, I say I'm going to Africa, even though I'm not going to every single country in Africa. Maybe that's why people are upset, because he keeps saying Africa, even though he means like few countries in Africa. I don't know.
How it tastes.
I don't know.
Like water. It took me about a minute to fill this 5-gallon drum. How much water can this provide a day?
3,600 gallons a day.
Not only will this well cover the 400 kids at this school, but literally the entire neighborhood and village around this school can use this well.
We say thank you for the water.
Oh, no problem. This thing can basically pump non-stop for 30 years.
You would think that having an effect of this magnitude would require the resources and funding of a large government, but that's not true. Solving this problem is possible, and something humanity should all be putting effort in to fix.
What's the secret of success?
To be honest, just find something you love doing and do it for a long period, and eventually you'll succeed. So I'm gonna bring it super close. See us? Is that cool? Yes. If you look up, it's recording. All right, well, I'm gonna get close. All right. Yeah, you can see yourself.
We were also able to install a well for this village, and these 12 other villages. And while we were finishing these wells, we were also able to update one of their schools with brand new computers.
How are they liking it?
They really like them.
Glad to see it turned out well.
And we also updated the cloud.
Can you imagine those computers? These kids are gonna learn how to like do all these things that Mr. Beast is doing, like editing videos. They could be like a kid who's gonna grow up to be like a content creator among all those village kids. I know that because I also grew up in a village, and I wish that there was somebody like Mr. Beast who came and to dig a borehole in our village, because we didn't have enough running water. There was a little bit of water, but it wasn't enough most of the time. And like, I can imagine how thankful these people are that are getting this water, computers, and all the things. And I like, the internet is not a good place. It's not a good place at all, because so far watching this video, I don't see anything wrong with it. Not a single thing that I pick that I'll be like, oh, I'm offended. But yeah, why are people criticizing Mr. Beast for this? That's what I don't understand. And are these people coming from the same village that Mr. Beast dug those wells? Were they did Mr. Beast take their land or something? I don't know. Why would somebody be upset by those wells, by what he did? I'm trying to also find somebody who's making sense with their anger. Is it because he is white? Is it because he keeps saying Africa? Nobody's saying anything about, not even one of these people that are upset are from these villages. And I'm telling you that. So yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna have to like stop this video right here, because I don't think there's gonna be anything that can be upsetting as we go on with this video. So big up to Mr. Beast, man. For those of you who are following Mr. Beast, please continue doing that, because he is doing a really good job. He is yeah, and maybe we are angry at the wrong guy. Maybe you are upset with the wrong guy. Maybe you should be upset with the government for not making sure that people have access to clean water. Maybe it's not Mr. Beast's fault to see a problem and solve it. Anyway, now I'm upset because people are upset. Thank you so much for watching. This is African Joe channel. Oh, I was like, where's my hand? African Joe channel. Okay. Yeah, man. I don't know. Hit the subscribe button. Let me know, why are you upset about this video that Mr. Beast has put out? Did I miss something? I don't understand some other things, or what is going on? All right, I'll see you guys later.